Hey everyone, so I've got these wheel rim protectors from Teslaunch. I'm going to do a quick unboxing. We're going to take a closer look at them, show you how to do an install, which is like really easy, show you some different possibilities and different options. And then I'm sure you guys have seen the complete wheel covers that are offered that also offer rim protection. And I'm going to show you why I think these might be better. These aren't just made for the 19-inch wheels either, or the Model Y. They're made for Model Y, Model 3, 19, 20, 21-inch wheels. They've got them for like all the wheels. Red, you want pink, you want green. I can't even remember all the colors. I'll show them here, but also there are some wheel caps that were made that don't really protect the rim that well. They may come up to only like here, so you've got this extra lip on top, and then you can also get more creative. So if you've got a black cover that only comes to here, then you want a silver outline, you want red, you want pink, you want green. Tons of choices, tons of ways to be creative and unique. So these come from Teslaunch. All the links below. Don't forget the discount code TeslaMark. It gives you the most discount and works at all the best places. Okay, wow. Nice packaging. Let's check these out. Ooh, now I see why they packaged them so well, because look at the finish on these suckers. Ooh, that looks nice. Hope this is showing up well, because yeah, these look nice. Okay, plastic's not thick, but not like super thick. It's between super thick and tough. Yeah, feels good. What else have we got here? Got a bunch of double-sided tape. Okay. Center caps, nice and protected. That looks good. And then lug nut covers. Little tool to get the lug nut covers off. All right. Nice. Let's get these on the car. Hey everyone, so at my friend's house here with his Model Y, he's got the 19-inch Gemini wheels, which, you know, they look pretty good. Now, you can buy entire wheel caps that cover this and protect the rim also, but maybe you like the way these look, and honestly, I do. Now, we've got the center cap off, the lug nuts obviously aren't covered, but here we've got these silver rim protectors. They're gonna match up perfectly, cover up all this dirt. I mean, why clean it when you can just cover it up? I'm gonna get a towel. We're gonna clean this up a little bit. We're gonna get this on. We're gonna put the lug covers on, put the center cap on, see how it looks, and yeah, you can see here already we've already got some rim damage here. How are we going to avoid that? With this. This is exactly what this is for. All right, so let me show you how to put these on. Start with the valve opening. Line that up, push here, here, then go back and fill in the blanks. And what we're doing here, if you see this edge, this is what locks in. All these edges lock in on the other side of the wheel. And check that out. Check that out. Looking good, super clean. Goes up and over the rim. Center caps. Pop right on. Lug nut caps. Gotta have them. So check it out, it's that easy. Get a closer shot here. Like I said, you could see that this goes over the wheel. So we've got real good protection there. Matches the factory paint here really well. And look, this is if you want to match the OEM finish. You don't have to. What's fantastic about these is they have all kinds of different colors. So you want to dress it up, you want to make it look, you know, unique. They've got that covered. Also, so if you've got an existing wheel cover already, these can be added underneath, and the other ones can be installed over them. Double protection. Also, there are some wheel caps that were made that don't really protect the rim that well, and they may come up to only like here, so you've got this extra lip on top, and then you can also get more creative. So if you've got a black cover that only comes to here, then you want a silver outline, you want red, you want pink, you want green. I can't even remember all the colors. I'll show them here, but tons of choices, tons of ways to be creative and unique. So these are some aftermarket wheel covers that he has, and you know, they look pretty good. They're kind of copying the Uber teen look. Honestly, all right, look, I prefer this look, but I get it. I get why others would like this too. So here, you can maintain the look that you're looking for and have them protected. Pro tip, best way to remove even these lug caps, this, all right? You know, just be careful, don't scratch anything, but check this out, just like that. In case you don't know what this is for paint cans, opens up the tops, and you get them for free actually. Go to Home Depot, anywhere that sells paint, Ace Hardware. Another benefit of these rings over the entire like hubcap rim protector, these are way lighter. And you know, add weight to the wheels, you're losing efficiency, so yeah, plus.